So Todd, where are you from?
I am from the U.S. I am from San Francisco. It's on the West Coast.
And what do you do?
I am an English teacher.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 47. Yeah, I am old.
No. That's not old. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is James. He is a teacher too. He lives in America.
And are you married?
No, I am not married. I am still single.
Where is your mom from?
My mom is from California. She is from Los Angeles.
And what does she do?
She is a manager. She works in a clothing store.
Where is your dad from?
My dad is from San Francisco. He is not from Los Angeles, but he met my mother in Los Angeles.
And what does he do?
He is also a manager. He works for a tree cutting company. They cut trees.
Wow. That sounds exciting.
Yeah, cool job.
Is it dangerous?
It is a little dangerous. A little? And Amy, what about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Glasgow, on the west coast of Scotland in the United Kingdom.
Nice. And what do you do?
I'm also a teacher.
Nice. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, me too.
It's fun, is not it?
It is. It is very fun. Excuse me, can I ask, how old are you?
Of course, you can ask. I'm 34.
Okay. Very young. Very young. Where is your mom from?
My mum is also from Glasgow.
Oh, nice. What does she do?
Well, she's retired now, but she was a nurse.
Oh, nice. And is your dad from Glasgow?
Yes, he is.
What does he do?
He's also retired, but he used to be a teacher.
Oh, wow. Many teachers.
Yes. Looks like it.
Well, thanks, Amy. Nice talking to you.
You too, Todd. How about you? Have you ever cheated on a test, Gilda?
I did. I did once in junior high school, too. Probably I was 12 or 13. I remember this test about art, plastic art, or something like that subject. And I forgot. And when I got to school and everybody was telling me, today we have a test, I was like, oh no, I did not have time to study. So I tried to keep my notebook open under my chair.
Sneaky.
Yes. And when I was trying to look at it, the teacher caught me and she gave me a 0.
Oh, a well-deserved 0. I believe.
Yes. But I did not, I did not look at it, but yeah, it was really a bad experience. And after that, I decided not to do it anymore.
You learned from that experience, it sounds like.
I learned from that, yes.
Once.
Actually, it's better to, if you approach the teacher and you say, "Oh teacher, I did not have time to study or I forgot. Is there any chance I could take this test later?" Maybe they might consider your request if you are a good student, of course.
Yes. That depends on your attitude leading up to the test, does not it?
Yes, exactly.
I mean, if you are a terrible student, a teacher is not likely to give you a chance, I think. Once.
Yeah. How about you?
Well, not exactly cheating, but once in an exam in university, I had a nosebleed all over my exam paper.
Gross.
And I just stood up and left. I was a bit upset and I stood up and I left. And I just went home and did not deal with that appropriately. And the examiner obviously got worried because she stood up and realized my exam paper had blood on it. So she called my house looking for me and I had to reset the test, the exam at the end of summer.
Okay. But at least you got.
So it was a biological sort of a pass, I guess.
Yes. Interesting.
A bit disgusting, really. Is not it for the poor examiner to be met with it?
Yeah. You should have taken it with you, the test instead of.
The test?
Instead of returning it with your blood on it.
Yeah, I should have taken it, should not I? But maybe I would be accused of cheating if I did that.
Yes. Yeah. But that happens though. I have seen students with nose bleeding.
They are rare for me. I was very surprised. That's why I was upset, because I do not get nosebleeds. But suddenly, that day, I did very suddenly. It was very surprising. A real shock.
I see. Amy, you got children, right? How would you feel if you caught them cheating or if you heard that they were cheating on a test?
Oh, that's a good question. I guess I would be upset emotionally. I would have to talk to them and find out their reasons for it. Why are they cheating? Why did they? I find out if it was cheating because of panic, because they have not managed to study, or cheating because they just do not want to do the work. So I think you have to find the motivation for it and take it from there, I guess.
You know, sometimes when we ask them or when we tell them that, they are like, "But you did that once." I am sure you did that once. So how do you think you will deal with that if your daughter says to you, "I am sure you did it once"? Why are you blaming me now?
I think I have to divert that question away, I think. It's not about me though, is it? It's about you right now.
Exactly. Yes, yes.
I think, remaining calm about these things is probably the best way to go, because I know my daughter would fully expect me to be livid about being caught cheating on a test. So I think I would have to surprise her and remain calm because I get really grumpy with her anyway over stupid things. So I think if I stay calm and I talk to her about it, she thinks rationally.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I think it's the best thing.